So guys, do you like my lips? I'm gonna give you a tutorial of how to make lips like this. Okay, so first, see, you want a base for the lips. So you're going to do something like this. It's really easy. All you have to do is a line that curves up from the field, a little hill, a little valley under the hill, and the same field at the bottom from top, but a little less curvy. Okay, so after you get the shape done, now we have to add some color. So I select out this pink shade just like that. Color it just like that. Make sure to not get any of the edges. We need to leave a gap from the outline, and that is very essential. So after you've done this, now you want to take a darker a darker color shade of the fig you did. Then you color over like that. And just touch that line, don't worry. And as you see the color, a shape is forming now. It can be whatever shape, it's all beautiful. So now you take a lighter color than the dark, but still darker than the first. I want it to be like a grayish color, as you can see over in my design. It's very gray, and right now it looks like a blobby mess. But then we'll move over and get that brush, like the transparent. See, you take a light color, you put your blending up, and now you just put it all over your lips. Now it looks better, but not completely it. So now we're going to go back to the brush, and we're going to take a really dark shade of the color you drink. Make your size small. Then, not like that. I think you don't want it that dark. You want it like a bit lighter. That and it's gonna go like whoop, 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 whoop. It doesn't look so good right now, but whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. Then we'll take this color and we'll do the same thing. Whoop, 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 whoop. And I'm just gonna quickly, I don't like the color I have for the home, so I'm just going to recolor that red into a violet color. Over like this. You don't have to do that, I just doing it because I kind of want to. Like a white, go back to that brush fig again and put a a good size that has to be like a brush. It's around the sides, and you're just going to add like. Sorry, I just need to remove some of that blending, and I'm going to add some shine to the lips. Some cute shine. And now, finally, we're going to add some gonna go to the room. Going to add white on sauce. Gonna add some shine. We're gonna take this and we're going to fill in the sides like this. Then we just get this, and then finally, yeah, I'm gonna just, and then we should just do that. Few extra touches on your thing, like mine. I'm gonna add some purple over here for some sizzle and some pop. I'm gonna finish it off with my. I'm just gonna finish it off with my signature. And boom. That is your art piece. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more content, please like and subscribe. And stay forever cutesy. Bye.